Up he goes.
He's gone.
Back over.
That's it, he's eaten my rear windscreen wiper and had the aerial clean off.
I think he's still on there.
No, there's one on the side. Monkey on the side, monkey on the
look.
side.
Just like down his window, Charlie.
Quick, monkey selfie, monkey selfie.
What is there? Oh no!
Monkey! Can you kiss a monkey? Hello, monkey.
What does a monkey do?
What is it, Charlie? And what's that on our window? Oh, hello. Oh, he's gone. He's going to get the other car now.
Oh look! You're going to watch him? I'm going to watch him.
She stole a monkey.
Again. Perfect, he's brilliant. Do you reckon he's seen do you reckon he's watched Teen Wolf, that monkey?
Wow. What's he doing?
Monkey on the car.
Is he going for a ride on the car?
I've got any monkey scat on my car. Another one, monkey on the wing mirror.
Look, that one's going to jump.
He's laying down now.
Yeah, monkey.
I wonder if they've ever got run over. These monkeys must never be bored.
Yeah, he's a monkey. He's alright. He's having a ride.
Well, they're experts, Charlie. They do this on a full-time basis.
Up.
Chilling. Is he going to come and do us? No, he's in eye now.
Sit still. It's all that jumping on Mummy's tummy's hurt it. What? Might see another one.
What do you reckon if you phoned the AA up and said you broke it down in the monkey enclosure at Longleat?
There's some deer.
But wow.
There's some more
Look
deer.
up there, Charlie. Uh-oh, more monkeys.
Ow.
Look, wildebeest.
Look, there's some monkeys. What noise does a monkey make?
Come on, monkey. Get on the car. Where is he?
No. Bump,
Splat.
bump.
There.
Yeah.
You see them, Charlie? Look. Wildebeest. A few of them in Worthing as well. Look at them all doing Mission Impossible along the fence. Brilliant.
Loose.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, burn.
The monkeys are the best bit.
No.
No, it's alright. It's not great.
Look, monkey. Look out here, look. Are you running?
There's a bit of vehicle there.
On the wheel.
He's got something, look, in his mouth. He got something then. What's he got? Can you see? He got a badge or something. I don't know if he got it off that. I don't think he got it off that car though. I wonder what car parts they find there. They find loads, don't they?
Got to sit down, mate.
Look, I love the way it says he's got a bit as well. Stay in vehicles, do not get out of the car. See, he's standing there with his, he's standing there and she's got her windows down. To all you wimps going around, that was the best part of the day. You alright, Kebbers?
Yeah.
How can you be going hot? Had the aircon on?
Come sit in the back.
No, like that.
No, I only had it on low.
Hey?
I didn't have it on high. Open your window now, Kev. Well, they turn the AC off now because it gives Emma a headache anyway.
They perch.
I made such a mizzle. Kev, Jamie, I text Jamie asking him how the shutdown's going. He's written, I'm bored to be honest. Went swimming this morning for an early morning perv session. Disappointingly saw Stuart McVeigh in his briefs. Put me off my ice cream.
Who's that you text?
You know Jamie that I work with?
Sit down.
Jamie Saldana. One that used to know Carlos? No. I love that picture. Run, Forrest.
You work on night for
No, he does my job on days.
yeah. We got blue people.
Look at Charlie with his monkey face on. Hey?
Blue people.
Yeah, he's on Lost at Sea.
Was he in the Navy or something?
Yeah, he was, he was.
That was one that. The fact he was taking a piss out of him
I take a piss out of him all the time about being a sailor. Look in there, Charlie, goats.
The heffalump. Bum of an elephant in the second week.
Pardon, Kev?
Elephant over there in the second door.
Oh, yeah.
Sit down. Boy.
Yeah, I think Jamie was looking for a job and he applied to go in the Navy and it was quicker to get in the submarine course, so he went in. Look, baby, it's you. The camels have got the hump as well. Look at these, Charlie. Look in front.
There it is. Come on. Sit down.
Charlie, look at these.
Camel.
I think the monkey bad as they're made out to be, are they? I'm sure they have their moments, but another bit of ammunition for my argument against new cars. Old crap ones don't matter. Monkeys can rip their life off this. But if to be fair, if they had stolen my Autobot badge, I would not have been happy. Right, only £1.50 from China, Kev.
Sit down.
I've still got a Decepticons badge to go yet, but I was saying that cozzy. Feel them lot, Charlie.
Mm. Yeah.
Oh my God.
There's one there. Camel. Yeah. They got big horns.
Look at them.
Sit down, man. Sit down, please. Charlie. Look, rhino. Charlie. There's rhinos.
Whoa, they're massive.
Yeah, I'll get you your juice in a second, hang on. What's his juice? A tractor! Out of everything, you get more excited about a bloody tractor.
She's got an alright job, and she just sits there in the tractor waiting to nudge the animals away. Any bummer if you need a slash though. Right, if you're a bloke, you can just discreetly hang
I was
it
going
in
to
the
say, just
bottle.
do what I saw coming back from Emma's yesterday. In that posh street with all the bungalows, some drunk just stood there, broad daylight, having a piss. Up against somebody's tree outside their house.
Nice. Just like that bloke the other day, wasn't it, outside? When I left the flat at about 2:30 in the morning.
No, don't press buttons, mate. Not when Daddy's driving. You get in your chair.
Fat bloke standing by the wall. Oh look, deers, and they're coming right up to the car. If you can buy food, I'm so buying some. I think you can buy food, can't you? Feed the deers.
My dear selfie from last year, the one hanging in the window.
Oh yeah.
How? You sit down, please, Pickle, because Daddy's driving, and I don't think just not that. He's going to brake suddenly, but ostrich,
Look at that, Charlie.
big bird, out the window. Look, out the side. Look, what's that? That's a big bird, isn't it? Can't fit that in Auntie Julie's oven for Christmas. Dick wouldn't mind. And that's Uncle Kev's drink. Bang! No, I'm gonna get covered in fucking slush puppy now. That's Uncle Kev's.
Charlie on the left.
Do you want this back, Kev? Get your mush out. Look, you're missing the animals. Wow. Got a bit of problems with flies on his face, I think.
Where's the unicorn?
Pardon.